Today, in the lab, we discover how to teach old objects new tricks. This is surprisingly useful. Tulip discovers that she can add methods to absolutely everything.
Sarcastic, the error has been emotionally processed.
That's not what exemptions are for. And I discover why giving a chaotic AI access to C# was a terrible idea. Tulip,
Sarcastic, yes.
go to your room. Welcome back to the lab. Today's experiment is a fascinating one. What if I told you that we could add new functions to classes that we didn't create? No inheritance, no modifying the original file, no black magic. Well, almost no black magic. Let's say I have a string. As can be seen, the string is lowercased completely. So now let's say I want to capitalize it. Normally, you'd write a utility, but those look a bit ugly. It works, but it's ugly. What if instead our string knew how to capitalize itself? Would be something like that, right? This is surprisingly useful, and I'm going to teach you how to do it. So, first off, we're going to create a new folder just for our extension methods. Let me explain a little bit about what we are going to do. What we are going to do is called method extensions. We're not actually changing the string class itself. We're just giving C# a clever way to pretend that we did change the string class. And a new item that's going to be string extensions. Normally, you'd write a new C# class for each extension that you create. So, for example, if I am messing with string, I'll have string extensions. If I'm messing with arrays, I'll have array extensions. And so on and so forth. Every class that you tinker around with, create a new extensions class. So, start off, let's make this a public static class. All extensions require it to be static, even the class. So right now we are going to create the static string method that's going to be the capitalize to do the exact same functionality that the string utility is already doing. And there you go. Okay, now to try it out, let's go back to the program class. There you go. It capitalized. So, Tulip, what did you learn today?
Happy I have improved humanity.
That sounds concerning.
Sarcastic, the error has been emotionally processed.
That's not what exceptions are for. Jokes aside, extension methods are everywhere. Some examples include helper methods in Unity, adding functionality to third-party classes, and creating fluent interfaces. So, what did we learn today? Extension methods let us add new behaviors to existing classes. They make our code cleaner, and under no circumstances should Tulip be allowed to extend the system namespace. Tulip,
Sarcastic, yes.
go to your room.
Reg.
Anyway, if you enjoyed this, consider liking and subscribing, and tell me in the comments what other C# concepts I should probably not give consciousness to. Class dismissed.